Hi, welcome back to my channel, Meals with Mills. In this episode, I am going to make German buns. Let's start cooking. In a bowl, I'll add warm milk, warm water, my yeast, oil, and half of my sugar. I'll leave the other half to go with the dry ingredients. Okay, I will stir our wet mix and I will let it sit for about 5 minutes until our yeast is activated. Okay, so just leave that. In the meantime, I'm going to sift our dry ingredients into a bowl. I have all-purpose flour, the rest of our sugar here, baking powder, and salt. So sift them in a bowl. I'll let our flour wait there. Once our yeast is ready, we will mix it together and form a dough. And while we're waiting for that, I'm going to prepare our coconuts. With the help of my son, he will scrape the fresh coconut. Normally, the way we crack it in the islands is there's a line in between the two eyes. So we need to face that line up like that. Okay, so this is the mouth of the coconut where you can open this and you can drink the coconut out of it. So these are the two eyes and there's a line that goes in the middle. So what normally happens is we just face the line up like that and then we hit this part hard. And if you hit it hard enough, it will open the coconut. You know, that's not too bad for a beginner. Well done, bro.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Are your hands still there?
Yeah.
This is the coconut and you'll start scraping this. To make our coconut sauce for our German buns. I have the fresh coconut that my son scraped earlier on, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and about half a cup of the coconut cream and 1 lemon. So I'll add our sugar to the pan. Make sure you have that nice brown color, just that nice caramel brown. I am going to add our coconut cream now. Careful, add it gently. Okay. And the rest. Make sure that sugar is all melting nicely. So I'm now going to add our coconut. I will also add our lemon. I just want a bit of lemon taste to it, but you don't have to. You want to leave it plain, but trust me, you will like the lemon taste. Okay. You can use the dry coconuts. You don't have to use the fresh ones. I can smell the lemon leaves. I'll take out the lemon leaf soon, but that's what it looks like. And it looks juicy too, because I haven't taken the milk out of the coconuts. It's still in there. We are done. We will leave that to cool down, and we will work on our dough. Hot enough. We're going to fry our German buns now. And quickly dip it in the water. to taste one now. It's super hot. It's nice and crunchy on your outside as well, and the inside. You see the steam inside. And the pastry is nice and soft as well. I hope you give this recipe a go. Let me know. Comment below. Thank you for watching this episode. I will see you again. Take care. Be safe. Bye.